Welcome everyone! Today we are going to explore Thailand. With all the most popular curry dish out there, we are gonna make a pineapple chicken curry today. Okay, to make it easy for you, I have a few of the ingredients you would need. This red Thai curry paste is the star ingredients for this dish. You can find this paste at any Asian market. Of course, you don't have to use this brand, but you would want to have a red Thai curry paste. You will also notice the back of the instruction on how to use, but you won't need that, not for this ingredients. So, red curry paste is what you need. Over here, I have a pre-marinated chicken thigh with skin on, mixed with the red curry paste and the chicken powder bouillon. You want to set that aside for about 20 minutes after you mix them together. I recommend you use pineapple juice over here, but if you don't have it, you may substitute it for orange juice or half and half, like half of an orange juice and half of a pineapple juice. Whichever you have at home will do. And then over here you see there's another ingredients you would need, and that is coconut cream or coconut powder. I personally prefer the coconut cream or milk, but I wanted to show you that you can use powder too if you wish to. And as you can see, I have some chopped red onions, and once again you can choose yellow onions, white onions, whichever you prefer or have at home. You don't have to run to the store for it. Either one is fine. I also recommend you use fresh, sweet, ripened pineapple. If you don't, canned pineapple will do just as well, as I show you here. If you use the canned pineapple, you will also be able to utilize the pineapple juice. This is my leftover here, a little bit of the yellow onions and orange bell pepper. I didn't want it to go to waste from the previous dish that I made, so I'm just gonna toss that in. Plus the red onion and the orange bell pepper will give the dish a little color and make it more vibrant, but you don't have to. Although I recommend bell pepper is not that bad to have in the curry. Okay, so let's prep the ingredients. If you use a canned pineapple, you want to be able to cut them into chunks, and the same for your onions. Okay, I'm gonna show you here using the yellow onions, and I'm just gonna cut them into chunks like you do see earlier when I show you the remains of the red onions that I had from the previous dish that I prepped. But this is how you want to cut the onions, okay, regardless what color of onions. And this is green chili pepper, which I'm gonna slice in return of the bell pepper. Okay, so here is the chicken marinade that I'm gonna show you. I'm using about a teaspoon of the chicken powder bouillon, followed by the Thai red curry paste. Tongue twisted there. So for the Thai red curry paste, I am using about definitely a tablespoonful around there. Then you want to cover it and let it sit for about 20 minutes prior to cooking the dish. So just 3 ingredients: the chicken and chicken bouillon powder, followed by the Thai red curry paste. Simple as that. Okay, so to cook, use the wok or a deep searing pot in high heat. Add your oil. Once the oil is hot, toss in the sliced up chili or bell peppers if you choose to use bell pepper. And again, this ingredients is optional. You don't have to have it. Stir well until it's aromatic, and then you want to toss in the chicken that you already pre-marinated. Give that a good stir. Make sure that the chicken is well cooked, and then you add in the onions that you chopped earlier, followed by the chunky pineapple, preferably fresh pineapples if you use that. As you can see here, I'm adding orange juice, even though I recommend you use pineapple juice, but orange juice will do. I don't have enough pineapple juice, so I'm using orange juice. You can also use the coconut cream like I did earlier, or coconut powder. I'm adding a little fish sauce for flavoring, just to give it a little bit more saltiness to the dish. Stir well and cover with the lid. Turn off the heat, and voila, that's what you have as the finished dish. Serve it with white rice. It's delicious. You're gonna love this dish. So hope you're hungry, and don't forget to subscribe down below.